In this video, I'm going to show you how to grow your own food on the moon with aeroponics and genetic engineering. This is a very advanced and efficient method of growing plants without soil or water, using air and nutrient mist instead. It also allows you to modify the plants to make them more suitable for the lunar environment. If you're curious about this topic, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. As you may know, growing food on the moon is not an easy task. The moon has no atmosphere, no water, and very little gravity. The soil is also very dry and dusty, and contains harmful chemicals that can damage plants. That's why most of the food comes from Earth, which is very expensive and unsustainable. But don't worry, there are ways to overcome these challenges and grow your own food on the moon. The first thing you need is a greenhouse. A greenhouse is a structure that creates a controlled environment for plants to grow. It protects them from the harsh lunar conditions, such as extreme temperatures, radiation, and meteorites. It also provides them with artificial light, water, and nutrients. You can build your own greenhouse using materials that are available on the moon, such as metals and glass extracted from the lunar regolith. You can also use inflatable modules that are easy to transport and set up. The second thing you need is an aeroponic system. Aeroponics is a type of hydroponic system that grows plants without soil or water, using air and nutrient mist instead. This way, you can save space and water, and avoid soil contamination. You can use different types of aeroponic systems, such as high-pressure or low-pressure systems. High-pressure systems use pumps and nozzles to spray fine droplets of the nutrient solution onto the roots of the plants. Low-pressure systems use gravity and misters to drip nutrient solution onto the roots of the plants. The third thing you need is genetically modified seeds. Genetically modified seeds are seeds that have been altered to have certain traits that make them more suitable for the lunar environment. For example, you can modify the seeds to make them more resistant to drought, cold, heat, or radiation. You can also modify them to make them more productive or nutritious. You can use different methods of genetic engineering, such as gene editing or transgenesis. Gene editing is a technique that changes specific parts of the DNA of a plant. Transgenesis is a technique that adds new genes from another organism into a plant. The fourth thing you need is grow lights. Grow lights are artificial light sources that mimic the sun and provide the plants with the right spectrum and intensity of light they need to grow. You can use different types of grow lights, such as LED or fluorescent lights. LED lights are more energy efficient and durable than fluorescent lights. Fluorescent lights are cheaper and easier to find than LED lights. The fifth thing you need is electricity and water. Electricity and water are essential for running your greenhouse and aeroponic system. You can generate electricity using solar panels or nuclear reactors. Solar panels are devices that convert sunlight into electricity. Nuclear reactors are devices that use nuclear fission to produce heat and electricity. You can obtain water by extracting it from ice deposits on the moon or by recycling it from your waste or urine. The sixth thing you need is care and maintenance. You need to monitor your plants regularly and adjust the temperature, humidity, pH, and nutrient levels accordingly. You also need to prune your plants and remove any dead or diseased parts. You also need to manually pollinate your plants or use insects or robots to do it. You also need to harvest your crops when they are ready and store them properly. And that's it. That's how you can grow your own food on the moon with aeroponics and genetic engineering. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.